Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations related to Steno. Be ready for the Supreme Court PA passage without any stop. It appears from the record of the trial court that after the service of summons on the defendants, they appeared and applied for adjournments for filing the written statement. The first such application was made on 13th December 2001. Subsequent applications were made for adjournments. On 22nd April 2002, the learned trial judge did not accede to the prayer for grant of further time and passed an order that the suit would proceed ex parte, and the date for ex parte hearing was fixed 30th May 2002. At this stage, we may also note that the plaintiffs also made an application to strike out the defense of the defendants. The said application was filed on 18th February 2002. On the said application, the advocate for the plaintiffs made an endorsement in the margin that as there was no advocate representing the defendants, a copy of the application was attached to the said application. Though the date for the ex parte hearing was already fixed as 30th May 2002, on 3rd May 2002, the plaintiffs made an application to the trial court for passing an order on the application dated 18th February 2002 for striking out the defendant's defense. Interestingly, on the same day, the plaintiffs moved another application stating that the plaintiffs may be permitted to lead their ex parte evidence through affidavits. It appears that on 3rd May 2002, the trial court allowed the application for striking out the defense. Subsequent facts narrated in this judgment would show that the shoot was taken on the cause list on that day without any notice to the defendants. On 16th May 2002, an application was moved by the defendants for setting aside the order dated 22nd April 2002. In the application, the averments were made that on 22nd April 2002, the district judge before whom the suit was pending was holding a camp court at Mussoorie. We may note that the suit was pending in the court at Dehradun. The contention in the said application was that as the learned district judge was unavailable, the defendants were under the impression that the suit would not proceed. In fact, in the affidavit filed in support of the said application by one Mukesh Kumar on behalf of the Superintendent of Police, Dehradun, it is stated that he was present on 22nd April 2002 till 4 p.m., but the case was not called out. On 30th May 2002, the application for setting aside the order directing the suit to proceed ex parte was rejected. At this stage, we may note here that in the proceedings of 22nd April 2002, it was recorded that on that day the lawyers had absented from the court work and the learned presiding judge was on a tour of Mussoorie for holding a camp. There is no mention in the proceedings of 22nd April 2002 that any in charge judicial officer passed an order to proceed with the suit ex parte. To the specific allegations made by the defendants in the application for setting aside the ex parte order that the judicial officer was not available in the reply filed by the plaintiffs. In paragraph 4, all that is stated is that the contentions that on 22nd April 2002 the learned district judge had proceeded to Mussoorie are misconceived, and the provisions of the Assam and Agra civil codes are apparent in this respect. On 1st July 2002, the defendants applied for setting aside the order dated 3rd May 2002 by which their defense was struck out. The application proceeds on the allegation that on 3rd May 2002, the court proceeded to strike out the defendants' defense without giving them an opportunity of being heard, and the hearing was conducted ex parte. The application proceeds on the allegation that on 3rd May 2002, the court proceeded to strike out the defendants' defense without giving them an opportunity of being heard, and the hearing was conducted ex parte. Very interestingly, a reply was filed to the said application by the plaintiffs, in which a stand has been taken that as the suit was directed to proceed ex parte, there was no occasion to give an intimation to the defendants or their counsel that the application will be taken up on 3rd May 2002.